Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mailchimp automation. First, clearly define your objective, whether it's a welcome series for new subscribers or a re-engagement campaign for inactive ones. Next, navigate to the automation section in your Mailchimp account. You'll find various pre-built automation types, like a welcome series or abandoned cart emails, or you can start a custom journey. Select the option that best aligns with your goal to begin building your automated workflow. Once you've chosen your automation type, it's time to design the workflow. Start by selecting a trigger, which is the action that initiates the automation, such as a new subscriber joining your list or a customer making a purchase. Then, use the visual builder to drag and drop email steps, time delays, and conditional splits. These elements allow you to create a dynamic path for your subscribers, ensuring they receive relevant messages at the right time. Now, let's focus on the content of your emails. Utilize Mailchimp's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to design visually appealing templates that reflect your brand. Craft compelling subject lines that entice recipients to open your emails, aiming for an open rate of at least 20%. Remember to include a clear and concise call to action in each message, guiding your subscribers toward the desired next step, whether it's visiting a product page or downloading a resource. Before launching, thorough testing is crucial. Send test emails to yourself and a few team members to check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues across different devices. Carefully review the entire automation path to ensure the logic flows correctly and the timing of each email is optimal. Once you are confident, activate your automation. Remember to continuously monitor its performance, paying close attention to key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to make informed adjustments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.